Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope that all of you will be fine and enjoying your life at your homes, safe and sound. May Allah save you and all of us from this evil disease, chronic disease, corona. Allah bless you all. We have completed chapter 2, that is kinematics. Before this, I also posted a test in your Google class already. You may have solved the test. It was an innovative test. You can solve it after completely preparing the chapter 2. Some of the students have sent me for checking. I hope that all of you will be working on it and you will be sending me as soon as you complete, you will sending me this test for checking. Now, onwards, today we are going to begin chapter 3, that is dynamics. Unit 3, dynamics. Dynamics definition. It is the branch of physics which deals with the study of motion of an object and the cause of its motion. The cause of motion is force. In this unit, we shall investigate number 1, what causes the change in motion of a body. Number 2, what role of mass of a body plays in its motion. So let's first study about the cause of motion, that is force. A. First definition, push and pull is called force. For example, a cricket ball is pushed by the batsman. His push is a force. Number 2, a door can be opened, closed by a pull or push or by a force, etc. Now, what force can do? A force, number 1, moves or tends to move a body. Number 2, stops or tends to stop the moving body. Number 3, change in direction of motion, change the direction of motion of body. Number 4, change the shape or size of a body. Now, examples of each part. Example number 1, about part 1, a man, that is, man behave as force. A man force can move a cart but tends to move a ball. Surely one man is unable to move a ball, but he tends to move. Number 2, a goalkeeper, that is force, can stop or tends to stop a fast moving ball. If a goalkeeper catch ball, then he has stopped it. But if the catch is left by the goalkeeper, then uh, he tends to stop. Okay, number 3, a batsman force can change the direction of moving ball. A batsman can throw a ball in any direction. So force can change the direction. Ball comes in and batsman is ready to move in a direction where he may be able to have longer distance covered by the ball, and he is able to take more runs. Number 4, a knife, that is force, can change the shape of an apple by cutting it. So this is all about force as the first step. The second topic we are going to study is inertia. Definition, it is a property of matter due to which it resists any change in its state of rest or of uniform motion. Explanation, the concept of inertia is explained by different scientists as discussed as follows. Number 1, Galileo Galilei, he observed that it is easy to move or stop a lighter object as compared to heavy object. Lighter mean having less mass and heavy mean having larger mass. This was concept of Galileo about inertia. Number two, Newton. According to Newton, inertia is the property of matter due to which it resists any change in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line. Newton related the inertia of a body with its mass. That is, greater the mass, greater the inertia, and vice versa. Examples of inertia. Take a glass and cover it with a cardboard. Place a coin on the cardboard as shown in the figure. The coin and card must be independent bodies. Coin must not be pasted or glued with the card. Two bodies must be different. When we kick the cardboard with the jerk of finger, the card will flicks away and the coin falls in the glass due to inertia. Number two, cut a strip of paper, stack few coins at its one end as shown in the figure, pull out the paper strip under the coins with a jerk. The coins remain undisturbed due to inertia as shown in the figure. The next topic we are going to study is momentum. So first, definition of momentum. The quantity of motion possessed by a body is called its momentum. Number two, the second definition, the product of mass and velocity of a moving body is called momentum. Number three, the symbol of momentum is P capital with a vector sign as it is written bold. Bold symbol is for a vector. Quantity vector, its direction is along the direction of velocity or the direction of momentum is parallel to direction of velocity. It depends upon mass and velocity. Formula P is equal to mv. The unit of momentum is from formula kg for mass, meter per second for velocity. So combined unit is kg meter per second. This can be converted into Newton into second, whose proof is along with kg meter per second is rationalized by second and second. Means rationalized by second means we multiply and divide by second. We get kg meter per second square times Newton. Kg meter per second square is Newton. So total, the net unit is Newton into second. If a car and truck are moving with same speed, the momentum of truck is larger than car due to its larger mass. These are first three topics we discussed. Next, Newton's laws of motion. Number one, Newton's first law of motion. A body continues to its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line provided no net force acts on it. Explanation with examples. This law has two parts. A body at rest remain at rest provided no net force acts on it. For example, a book lying on the table.